following is an ESG On Location video.
Hello, this is Dan Conde of ESG. I went to the Open Networking Summit in Santa Clara, California. The summit had certainly a telco slant to it, but there were plenty of items to see for the enterprise as well. There was an interesting discussion led by Peter Levine, a venture capitalist from Andreessen Horowitz, who said that open source really isn't a way for innovation to occur, and it typically takes mature products and makes it freely available via open source licenses. On the other hand, there was a viewpoint from representatives from the Linux community, Open Daylight, OPNFV, and ONOS, all open source projects, who said that they're working together to create a lot of innovation. I believe the truth resides somewhere in the middle, and it remains to be seen as new projects emerge out of the open source community to what extent they could create true innovations. One surprise for me was how Microsoft was showing how Windows and Azure platforms could become a good platform for running microservices, and how its Hyper-V networking technology and its SDN system can be used to stitch together these systems. The basic technology isn't completely new. It's been around Windows Server for a while, but having it mature to this level and making Windows Server potentially a good competitor to existing platforms like OpenStack for running containers is actually quite interesting. So this is something that is worth keeping an eye on. We also saw a keynote by Omar Baldonado, a networking head of Facebook, and he showed how the internal technologies developed at Facebook is being open sourced and also being given to the Open Compute project as a way for Facebook itself to use the technologies as it's adopted and built upon by third-party partners, and eventually those technologies can trickle its way down to the enterprise. This was shown last week at the Open Compute Summit, and it's good to see it reinforced at the Open Networking Summit this week as well. So this is certainly a development that could affect the entire networking industry and is worth looking out for.